This device is fully automatic and requires no manual intervention. The only thing we need to do is place the eggs into the egg slot. Once the eggs are in, there's a power switch. Turn on the power and then press our start button. After pressing it, the device will automatically produce the finished product. This device can cook eggs to varying degrees, such as soft, medium, or hard-boiled. For a hard-boiled egg, it takes 38 seconds per egg. If you want the egg more well done, you can adjust the time as needed. For instance, set it to 45 seconds by pressing here and confirming the time. Then it will cook an egg every 45 seconds. The eggshell comes out from this position. The machine automatically cracks and discards the shell, so you don't have to handle anything. Now let's check the quality of the eggs we've cooked. This is a 7-minute egg, which is soft-boiled with a runny center, cooked on both sides.